All right, my students have received their assessment work, and it's time to actually find out how they did. So I'm going to go under on my classwork page. I'm going to find the assignment that I gave them, which is this one here called Do This. And I'm going to go ahead and click Do This. Now, when I go in here, I can see that I have assigned this to one student. And of course, I've only added one student to this class. That student didn't turn it in, but I can at least go in to see how they're doing. Had it been turned in, the one would be over on this side. And to turn it in, they just have to push the button on the top right-hand corner of their assignment to turn it in. So if I go to View Assignment, I can see that Kevin has added one piece, and he's got one copy of his document. You'd actually be able to see a full list of your students here, and you could at any point, as well as all of the different pieces you can look at, and at any point you can actually just drop into it, and you'll see that he has, in fact, written on this. It says my work is done. I can see this is Kevin's work. I've got this little mini version of Google Docs that I can write more feedback in. I can give some comments. And of course, I can assess the rubric as well. Right now, I've only got the mastery proficient pieces, but if I expand that, I can find out what those descriptions are of each of the different criteria. We only created one criteria, and so I could certainly give him mastery under the super goodness section. And I could say, this is super good. There we go. And post. And that's it. I have now assessed and given feedback to Kevin's document. I can actually add more. I can maybe highlight the word done. There we go. Give it a yellow highlight. And it's even asking me to, because it recognizes this as a change, I can say should be done. There we go. And I can hit reply. And all of that will go back to him specifically on his document. He could go in there right now and look at what I've done, but if I want him to be notified in the stream, all I need to do is push return. And of course, this is where his turn in button would appear. And as soon as I push that, it'll give me a notice to say that students will be notified. I hit return. And that's it. Now Kevin has a copy of his assignment with my comments and the rubric. And that's really it. You'll see all of your other students here, and you can just go ahead and click on each one and give them their feedback. I hope that makes sense. And as always, let me know if it does not.